In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the navbar color in Webflow. This is a great way to customize your site's appearance and give it a personal touch that matches your brand or design theme. We'll walk through this simple process step by step, ensuring that you can easily follow along. To get started, first, you need to select the navigation bar on your Webflow site. You can do this by simply clicking on it. Once selected, you're going to want to double-click to ensure you're in the correct editing mode. This is important because it allows you to access all the styling options available for the navigation bar. Next, you're going to direct your attention to the background of the navbar. By making changes here, you can significantly alter how your navigation bar looks, creating a standout feature that draws the user's attention. Now we'll move over to the right panel, a critical area in Webflow where all of your styling options live. Specifically, you need to select the Style tab, which gives you access to the numerous style properties you can modify. Scrolling down within this panel, you'll come across the Background section. This is the area where you'll execute most of the visual customizations for the navbar. Once you locate the Background section, you'll find the color settings there. Clicking on the color option will open up a myriad of possibilities. Webflow's color picker will appear, displaying several sliders and options to help you choose precisely the shade you want for your navigation bar. You can select from the predefined colors, or better yet, utilize the sliders to craft a custom color that fits your design scheme perfectly. You can experiment freely here, adjusting the shades and saturation until you find the perfect combination that aligns with your vision. And just like that, you're done. With these simple steps, you now know how to change the navigation bar color in Webflow, an effective way to ensure your website reflects your unique style. This quick adjustment can completely transform the look of your site, making it more visually appealing and cohesive with the rest of your site's design choices. Remember, experimentation is key. Don't hesitate to try different color combinations and see which one resonates best with your overall website theme. It can also be helpful to check how your changes look on different devices to make sure the navbar color is effective across all platforms. Having the ability to custom tailor your elements easily within Webflow opens up a world of creative possibilities. So take advantage and make your navbar stand out. And there you go. I hope this walkthrough helps you master the styling of your Webflow site with confidence. Thank you for tuning in and happy designing.